Okay, this lighting, I can already tell is gonna be a struggle, but so is this video. What's going on, YouTube? It's Friday at 9 p.m. and what most of you, I'm sure, are doing on a Friday night is socializing or, you know, going out. What I'm doing is attempting to dye my hair pink. So I have no plans tonight. I got a little bored. I thought, I don't have anything going on in my life right now, so what better time to do this? So I went to Target. I picked up the Kristen Ess Rose Gold. This is called a temporary tint, but what I was reading about the reviews and everything was that it lasts about 6 washes. It says that the more dry that your hair is, the more color it will absorb. So I've been letting it dry for about 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna lay down towels all over the floor because I have heard that it gets pretty messy. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then we'll just start the process and see how it goes. Okay, so I shampooed my hair and I didn't condition it. So we'll see how it takes a color. I have really dry hair right now just from bleaching. I'm gonna go ahead and clip off sections. And disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never dyed my hair by myself at home. And obviously this isn't like something that I'm going to be committing to forever, hopefully. But I just feel like my hair is so dry and porous that it might just hold on to the color for a really long time. Wow. I really regret not wearing gloves. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm kind of thinking that it is too wet still. I feel like the color is just like coming out. I don't know if this like dyes skin. Yep, looks like it. Okay, wow. Okay, we're back. I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and do it with how wet my hair is now because I don't know if I want it to be that vibrant. I am a little nervous. As much as I like wanted to let it sit on for as long as I can, I don't know if I'm ready. Maybe I should just use this for my skin. I don't know what I'm doing. This is a new experience for everyone. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna douse my hair in it. Hopefully this can will be enough for all of my hair because although it doesn't look like it, I have a lot of hair. I feel like I'm destroying everything in this bathroom. Look at this. Nice. Okay. Oh, my whole ear is red. I feel like there's gotta be a better way to apply this. All of my skin is turning pink. I have like a sunburn line. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take this portion that I just did and put it up into a clip so it's not dripping everywhere. And I'm gonna wipe off my skin so that it doesn't, oh, maybe it already did stain. Okay, well, now it just looks like I got some sun. just hope that it's not uneven. Oh my gosh. Okay. And it says you're supposed to leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing and then conditioning. But I feel like this has been way longer than 2 minutes because it's taking me so long. I just feel like I still haven't found a really good way to apply it that's not making a complete disaster. And I think I understand because in the shower, everything that falls onto the floor, you can just like rinse away. I get that. But I couldn't section this off and try to be precise, I don't think. So we'll see how this turns out. We'll definitely see. I feel like it's pretty much all coated. So I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, well, I say as I miss half of my head. Okay, well,